Yeah, the front runners of this 2023 presidential election are three of them, from the PDP, my party, the APC, and the Labour Party. But let us look at these three people who has the capacity to deliver and to make things work for our country, Nigeria. Let us look at it. Let us be factual. Let us be frank with ourselves, because we are toying with our future. A country of over 200 million people deserve a better leadership that is proactive, that has foresight, that has vision to make things work for our country. I look forward that these three candidates of the various political parties will meet and say, look, let this man go. I'm in PDP, and I'm working for PDP, but I tell you, if I were not in PDP, you will see me working for PeterObi. But I'm in PDP, so let's see how things work out. But the truth is that the Bible says, John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. And the Bible says again in Ecclesiastes 9:11, the battle is not for the swift, nor for the strong, nor the race for the fastest runner, nor success for men of wisdom. But everything comes by time and chance as God giveth. So it doesn't matter. He may not have the wherewithal, but if God decides, who can stop? And if God decides that somebody else, it doesn't matter with all his credentials and capacity that I've said there. If God says it is not him, then it can't happen. But honestly, Nigerians should look for nothing less than having the best. No sentiments of partisanship, no sentiments of where you come from, but sentiments about who can fix Nigeria.
Go this way, go this way.
Come. Are you with the governor? You and him have the same number. You and him in particular. You have his number. Thank you. No, let's go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.